Unlocking Language Mastery. Verb plus Noun Collocations Demystified. Hello, language explorers. Today we're diving into a very important and interesting part of the English language: collocations. More specifically, we're tackling verb plus noun collocations, a fundamental part of natural-sounding English. If you've ever wondered why some English phrases sound just right, while others, although grammatically correct, sound odd, you're about to find out why. Let's get started. To put it simply, collocations are words that often go together in a language, much like best friends. They simply sound right to native English speakers. When it comes to verb plus noun collocations, this refers to a verb and a noun that are often used together, forming a sort of set phrase. For instance, the verb make and the noun decision often go together, so we say make a decision. We wouldn't usually say do a decision, even though do and make are often interchangeable in other contexts. Now you might be asking yourself, why are collocations important? Well, understanding and using collocations correctly can significantly enhance your English fluency. They make your English sound more natural and idiomatic, just like a native speaker. Moreover, collocations can be crucial in understanding the meaning of sentences. Sometimes, a phrase's meaning isn't about the individual words but rather about how the words are combined. So, understanding collocations can give you a deeper insight into the intricacies of the English language. While we're specifically discussing verb plus noun collocations today, it's good to know there are several types of these. For instance, 1. Verb plus noun, take a shower. 2. Verb plus preposition plus noun, run out of time. 3. Verb plus adverb, speak fluently. Each of these types has a different dynamic, but all are crucial to making your English more fluent and idiomatic. We'll dive into each type in future videos. That's it for today's journey into the world of collocations, specifically verb plus noun collocations. Now you know what they are and why they are important for your English fluency. But remember, knowing is just the first step. Practice is what will make you master them. So start noticing collocations in your English readings, listenings, and in your own speaking and writing. Keep exploring, and your English language mastery will reach new heights. As always, it's been a pleasure guiding you on your English learning journey. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.